they gonna be another one of them talk sessions, I assume, as of right now. I want to talk to y'all about a few things, man. First, is it cold where y'all at? Because here in the city, it is blistering. That's 38 degrees. Jesus! It came right after an 85 degree day. Like it was 85 degrees one day, and then the next day it was 30. I don't understand what's going on here, but I don't like it. But it's alright. I'm about to deal with it. I wasn't prepared though. You know what I'm saying? If I was prepared, it would have been different. I wasn't prepared. And I don't watch the news, so that's probably another reason why I wasn't prepared. Because if I had to watch the news, I probably would have seen this was about to happen. But anyway, we're gonna speak about the channel, man. I've mentioned this to y'all before. I'm thinking about doing memberships, man. Thinking about doing the memberships, and it's gonna be like exclusive content, man. Like it's gonna be content that I ain't gonna make it to the regular YouTube. I ain't gonna make it to the public. You know what I'm saying? It's, you know, whatever it might be. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's car related or family related, or, you know what I'm saying, just some exclusive stuff, man, that, you know what I'm saying, only the people that are members will get a chance to view. It might be a live, or, you know what I'm saying, like, I think a lot of it is gonna be probably like, you know what I'm saying, specs on the motor, and, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that with the car and stuff like that. Like, I think a lot of it is gonna be that. Anyway, just more exclusive stuff, man. Whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? More exclusive stuff. Like y'all, the people that purchase the membership, man, will have access to that content. Yeah, I've been thinking about that. And I was trying to see, man, what y'all feel about that. Do y'all feel like, you know what I'm saying, I need to do that? And it ain't gonna be nothing outrageous, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna be nothing, you know what I'm saying? My memberships ain't gonna be no $30 and all that right there. It ain't gonna be nothing like that, you know what I'm saying? It's just gonna be something that, you know what I'm saying? Like something that, it's just like knowledge, you know what I'm saying? Just like knowledge, you know what I'm saying? If you looking for some knowledge or something that, you know, how it used to be, you know what I'm saying? I mean, even now, you know what I'm saying? If you looking for a specific topic of knowledge or whatever, man, you know what I'm saying, man, you gotta pay for that, you know what I'm saying? You gotta go buy a book, you gotta buy a course, you gotta buy a class, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do all that. So, you know what I'm saying? If I'm giving out knowledge, which I've been giving out knowledge on certain things for a long time, for free. Never asked nobody for a dime, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I've been thinking about that, man, you know what I'm saying? Just putting it out there. Because the content is about to change directions, man. As far as, you know what I'm saying? As far as with the car, you know what I'm saying? Y'all say that if I keep the car, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. And I'm gonna be disclosing, like I said, exclusive information, man, that I might not want everybody to know. You know what I'm saying? Exclusive. I think I can do pictures and all that type of stuff. It's gonna be exclusive stuff, man, that, you know what I'm saying, the public might not know. Well, the public gonna know, because I'm sure how shit works nowadays. You know what I'm saying? Somebody gonna screenshot some of all that, but you know what I'm saying? And that's cool. That's cool, but it's gonna be paid for off the top, off the front end. So it don't matter at this point. So yeah, man, I've been thinking about that, dog. Like, real deal, been thinking about it. The memberships. Because even if I don't keep this car, y'all do know I still got other cars to be dealing with. You know what I'm saying? I was in the Firebird, 48, box. So it's still gonna be exclusive content, man. Somewhere in there. Like my content it's gonna be different, but it's gonna be the same. Like I'm still gonna be posting how I'm posting right now, but it might be some things that might be a little more, how can I see it? A little more in depth. That's what we're gonna say. We're gonna say it's gonna be a little more in depth, man. I'm gonna go in a little more. I'm gonna go in that extra mile to get that exclusive content. You know what I'm saying? And that'll be on that. You know what I'm saying? Sharing prices on what to do and how to do this on certain things and all that right there. If, you know what I'm saying? If I know. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I got a few, well, I know I got for sure one new guy on my team, man, so he ready for whatever. So I don't know if he's a private person or not. You know what I'm saying? I really ain't got no whole feel for him yet. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know if he's a real private person because he hasn't broadcasted anything to me like, you know, he's out in the public, like, you know what I'm saying, what he doing and all that right there. So, you know what I'm saying? I got him on the team, and he's gonna be doing some things for me. And you know, I'm a vlog it, man. I'm a film it. I'm put it on camera for you. But it's probably gonna be to a certain extent. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let him talk about what he doing and how he doing it, all like that right there. And there's probably gonna be some exclusive content, man, because this is something that, you know what I'm saying, this is something that I know what he about to do. This is something that you gotta go to school for sure. Like, you gotta go to school for this. Like, it ain't no ifs, ands, or buts. This ain't no, well, you probably could self-teach yourself, but in order to do it right, like I've seen some of his projects, and you ain't just, you know what I'm saying, like you ain't just waking up in the morning and be like, you know what, I'm finna go do this right here and do it. No, that ain't gonna work. I know it ain't gonna work. So yeah, I got him on the team, and we're gonna see how it go, because I want everybody to be a part of this. That's why I'm asking. Now, if don't nobody say, yeah, man, we gonna do that, that don't mean that I'm not gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? That just means that ain't for you. You know what I'm saying? And I'm cool with that. I'm okay with that. I ain't mad at nobody about it. I ain't forcing this on nobody, nothing like that. Y'all know me. Y'all know Beelo, man. Y'all know I don't get into all that right now. Like, we keep it funky around here, man. We ain't gonna force nothing on y'all, man. That's why I'm telling y'all this ahead of time before I even do it, because I don't want to force nothing on y'all, man. I don't want to force feed y'all into this. I don't want to put that on y'all plate, man. Then y'all be like, damn, man, Beelo switched up on me and did this right here, man. Nah, we ain't doing that. I wouldn't do that to y'all. Y'all been rocking with me for quite a while now, so you know what I'm saying. We good. We ain't doing none of that tricky stuff. None of that. But, well, it ain't no but. I'm saying that to say I have to be compensated for my efforts. I have to be compensated for my knowledge and things like that, my time, you know what I'm saying, all that right there. Cause y'all know, or maybe y'all don't know, this ain't no easy task, man. You know what I'm saying? Holding this camera right here while I'm trying to drive this truck, getting videos, even though I ain't even gotta do this. But I am. It's not an easy task, man. This is not something that you just can do in your sleep. Like, this not, no. Editing videos. Trying to make sure your videos, your file ain't corrupted. So you gotta edit your video again. Trying to get your videos up on time. And work a job. And have a family. Amongst other things. You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't easy, bro. So I need to be compensated for my time, my efforts, man. Big curve, I got a golf ball size crack in my windshield from the other day, man. That shit is crazy. And this is the second time it happened. And it's the second time it been right in my face. Like, it's right in my face. I think the other one was a little bit more over to the left, but still, it's right in my, like, if it had came through, it would have hit me in my face. Let me show you. Y'all see that? Man, it would have hit me right in my face, man. I think the other one was over here a little bit. It was directly in my face. Like, this one probably would have hit me in the jaw or something. Man, what you doing? Trying to get over because you think I ain't gonna pass you? Well, I'm in a big truck. I will hit you, fool. And don't think I won't. But yeah, man, that's kind of what I had going on this morning, man. You know what I'm saying? Just to let y'all know, man, that I'm thinking about the memberships again, and I'm thinking about them real tough. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about it real tough about doing the memberships, and it's probably gonna take effect at the beginning of the year. Damn, my camera low, my battery low. So yeah, let me go and get off here, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please, if you haven't done so already. And check out them links, man. Check out them links, them Amazon links in the description. And yeah, man, go get y'all some of that. And I mean, even if you don't buy nothing from them links, man, just go to Amazon from the link and purchase whatever it is you need. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't the Man himself. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.